KashKick flags duplicate accounts when it detects the same device, IP address, or identity signals being used across more than one profile, which triggers automatic restrictions or full account blocks. By the end of this, you'll know why duplicate account errors happen, how KashKick detects them, and the exact steps to fix or avoid getting flagged again. Start with what's actually happening behind the scenes. KashKick doesn't just look at email addresses. It tracks device fingerprints, IP patterns, and login behavior to decide if an account is unique. So even small overlaps can trigger a duplicate warning. First fix is checking if you already have an existing account. Most duplicate flags happen because users forget they previously signed up and try to create a second account with the same device. If that's the case, the safest move is to recover the original account instead of creating a new one. Second fix is logging out of all devices and clearing app or browser data. Stored cookies and cached login sessions can make the system think you're still using an older account on the same device. Third fix is avoiding shared networks. Public Wi-Fi or shared IPs can cause multiple accounts to appear linked, even if they belong to different people. Switching to a stable private connection helps separate your activity. Fourth fix is removing VPN usage. VPNs can rotate IP addresses or reuse flagged IP ranges, which increases the chance of being identified as a duplicate account. Fifth fix is using a single device per account going forward. Switching between phones, tablets, or browsers can create conflicting device signatures that trigger automatic detection systems. Now here's what actually matters if your account is already flagged. KashKick duplicate detection is mostly automated and based on patterns, not manual review. That means repeated violations make recovery harder over time. So prevention matters more than fixing it after the fact. In most cases, restoring the original account and cleaning device data resolves the issue faster than trying to bypass the system. Summary: KashKick duplicate account issues come from overlapping device data, shared IPs, VPN usage, or multiple signups. The system relies on identity signals, not just email. Clean device history and single account usage prevent most flags. Next step: recover your original account first, then commit to one device and one network to avoid triggering duplicate detection again. Like and subscribe for more clear, no fluff fixes for apps that stop working when their verification systems kick in.